are proud to share that INSET 2022 is a huge success for the city school southern region. The well-planned event with thoughtful activities and content has a positive impact on our teachers' productivity, and it will definitely enhance our students' achievement in the classrooms. The feedback received from the teachers and school leaders is highly impressive, where 98% participants agreed that the program content matched the theme of the event, which was Mindfulness Leading to Innovation in Education. 95% participants were happy about the content shared. They liked the learning activities, which promoted collaborative learning and active participation. The city school has firm belief on teachers' training and its impact. Many researchers state that continuous teacher training provides the solution to educational problems, and with this insight, our teachers have learned innovative teaching skills and techniques, and they are ready to apply them in the classrooms for better academic achievements of the students. We wish them all the best.